Hi, today in front of me LG Q70 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application and after that tap to the wallpaper and temp section. Click to allow, not to display, to the wallpaper, and once again allow. And here we can see our wallpaper. So this is here is 20 more default wallpapers. We can use them, or just let's go back. We can tap here to see more wallpapers, tap allow, and you can use from here just the online wallpapers. First you should just to log in, but let's go back also and click here to this, to our photos gallery. Unfortunately I have no any photos here, so just let's take a picture right now. Okay, turn on only this time. So let's take a picture. Let's go back to the wallpaper section, tap to recommended, and now we can see here our previously taken on our camera photo picture, and also we can find here just downloaded from the internet, for example, wallpapers. So let's just use one from the default wallpapers. Just select here only lock screen, unselect the home screen, and just tap to set wallpaper. We can see that the wallpaper has been changed. So let's just lock the device, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the empty just place on your home screen, and you'll see here wallpaper and temp section. Tap here, and by the same way select the online wallpaper, default wallpapers, or just photos from your device gallery. For example, let's use this wallpaper. Just unselect the home screen, stay with the lock one, tap to set wallpaper, and wallpaper has been changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.